Hello, and welcome to SE370 Deliverable 2A, Bag of Words. The purpose of this assignment is to create a bag of words vector representation from multiple sources. These sources are datasets that have been provided and are Amazon, IMDb, and Yelp. Within this bag of words, we hope to develop a regular expression for sentiment detection, analyze buzzwords with numerical values, and trim select phrases, and to finally create a visual analytical aid using Microsoft Excel functions. These aids will be provided through histograms and numerical values that will determine the sentiment of the sentence.
Displayed here is a fraction of our VBA code. This VBA code displays how we selected certain ranges for our data to output, also the ranges to reference, as well as some trimming functions to trim away unnecessary grammar, as well as words that we deemed as insignificant. It also shows a code that allows us to clear the sheet every time we run it again. This regex expression in VBA displays a code that indicates if certain buzzwords that we designated as significant occur in a sentence. These buzzwords identify a positive or negative sentiment associated with that sentence. Here you see the VBA code in action in the Excel sheet, counting each occurrence the word occurs in the boxes to the right of the sentence. The bottom of our Excel sheet displays the total occurrences of each given word, the total occurrences of that word in a positive statement, the total occurrences in a negative statement, the sentiment associated with that word, as well as another reference point for the word at the bottom. Then below that, it displays whether that sentiment is more negative or more positive. Then below that is a function that we made that displays whether that term is significant. So this accounts for how the size of the sentiment as well as the total occurrences of that word.
In a similar way, you can see our VBA code for the regex, the function in action. Of the buzzwords that we indicated, they are indicated by the third column for our code, and they are clearly in the sentence if they occur, very, if, there, no, etc. Here, you can see our histogram delineating our buzzwords based on two criteria: frequency and distinction. The orange in this table represents negative, while the blue represents positive. You can see that there are clear distinctions between certain words in every sentence. These words would thus serve as strong indicators for certain sentences for their sentiment.